Hey guys, it's Rian aka BunBun. So for today's video, I'm showing you guys how you can create your own. Subscribe to this channel link like most popular YouTubers do. And also make sure you guys go subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you guys are new. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and open your channel page. So this is my beautiful channel page right here. So from there, you're gonna want to go into the search bar at the top with the URL and copy the URL. Okay, so once that's copied, you're gonna want to go into your Notes app. You're gonna want to create a new note and paste the URL that we copied from Google Chrome or your browser. Then we're gonna want to add a few words of these, which is question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1, and maybe you can memorize this. That's why I leave these words down below so you guys can paste it and copy this at your URL. So after that, it will pretty much look something like this, and it's really long, you guys. This is not the link that we're hoping for. Most of you have been wondering how YouTubers have a short subscribe to this channel link. So to do that, you'll just have to copy everything. Then go to Google Chrome or your browser again and search for bit.ly.com. Click the create button, which is the orange create button at the top, and paste the link that we copied at this Samsung Notes. Click on create again, and in the box, this is our shortened URL. So you can also customize it to whatever you like. To customize it, you might wanna sign up first, but it's super duper easy to sign up. All you have to do is put your email, passwords, and stuff. After that, you're gonna save it and paste it to your description box, and that's it.